Hello everybody, welcome back. So we are just setting up for today. I'm going to share with you what my living room looks like, or I should say looked like. So this is an older recorded video, which you can probably tell from some of the blankets that are out. That's kind of the way I decorate. I theme my blankets. It's my collector's item, if you will. My husband likes to collect mugs and I like to collect fuzzy blankets. So it's kind of just our thing in the house. But this is what my living room used to look like. And so coming soon, you will see I'm going to do another video for a living room clean. It's more of a disaster clean just because of the state the living room was in, and it's going to be a lot dirtier and a lot more deep cleaning, but that's because we have been going through a remodel. So for the past few months, my husband and I have been taking out the fireplace, moving it around, so you'll see the whole thing in an upcoming video for a living room clean. And then I'll probably try to share another one as well for an updated living room project video and just kind of the final look of the fireplace and everything. So obviously in the comments down below, of course, too, let me know what you want to see and I can try to share more specific information with you guys as well. So I'm just starting with my normal routine, which is kind of just moving everything to one spot. I usually try to pick either the couch or, like in this case, the rug to start cleaning. So I clean everything around it and kind of put that there as a center point and then kind of move everything back, if that makes sense. So I just have my handy dandy little Swiffer duster. And I'm starting from top to bottom, so I think I was pretty successful today with cleaning from top to bottom. If you've seen some of my other cleaning videos, you will know that sometimes I forget to do that. Sometimes I just start going and I completely forget that I should be cleaning from top to bottom in order to ensure the least amount of dust possible. But when you clean every week, I guess it doesn't matter all that much, but I try my best. And today's video is a speed cleaning video, so most of the time on my channel you'll see speed cleaning. Let me know if you actually want a full-length cleaning video where I do the whole thing and show you from step one to the final step. The only reason why I do speed cleaning most of the time is because it actually does take me a while to clean the house and the separate rooms, and I would hate for you to get bored after an hour-and-a-half cleaning video or something like that. So I normally just do speed cleaning just because then it's just a little bit less time in video for you guys, and I don't want you, of course, to get bored. I want to motivate you to clean as well at the same time. So hopefully me cleaning with you is helpful. I always like to watch cleaning videos as well when I'm cleaning. It just gets me motivated like someone else is doing it with me. Also, if you are new to my channel, or if you know this already, you might know that I don't dress very fancy for cleaning, so I am just in a casual outfit here. And so normally I'll be wearing probably the same thing you'll see a lot. If you've seen some of my other cleaning videos, you're like, you've worn this already? Absolutely. So I used to clean the entire house like in 3 days. I've started to space it out a little bit more now just because it's a little bit messier, and I'll share details on that in the coming months on the channel of how it got so messy, why it got so messy and everything, and how I kind of lost track of it a little bit. But basically I just don't dress really fancy for cleaning, even if I'm doing a YouTube video. This is me.
Touch me one more time, come on, tell me, baby, make your move, step across the line. Touch me one more time, come on, tell me, 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 tell me. Come on, tell me. You make your move.
So over here is our wet bar area. This is kind of just my husband's world over here. He has his coffee station, and then usually just like everything he puts down after work, he kind of just sets over here. So this is like his space in his area. just cleaning the baseboards, so I really like to deep clean it as much as possible every week. So to me, this is deep cleaning because growing up, I never used to do this kind of cleaning. It was mostly just like sweeping and mopping and things like that. But with my own house, I really want to make sure, especially with this new one, that we take care of it a lot. In our old house, the first house that we had, my husband and I, we did an okay job, but it was never this thorough for cleaning it. And I know that with an increased amount of space, I really wanted to make sure to keep it really, really clean. And so I just like to scrub the baseboards by hand. I know you can use like brooms and mops and different things like that, and so you don't have to crouch down, but honestly, as long as I'm able to crouch down, I am going to. I don't want to like lose it, like if you don't use it, you're gonna lose it kind of thing. I don't want to do that, so I want to be able to clean as much as possible. And honestly, when I was watching back this video for editing, I have no idea what I'm watching on the television. I was trying to figure that out. It literally looks like I'm watching a black and white movie, but I cannot remember for the life of me. It's just been too long since cleaning and recording this video that I don't even remember what I was watching. I'm guessing it was another cleaning video, but I have no idea, to be honest. Either that or a music video. I know when I first started cleaning a lot, I would put on like one song and I would just have it replay over and over again, depending on what mood I was in. So I don't know if you relate to that or if that drives you nuts. I know my husband's the type of person who I'll play the same song over and over again and I love it, but it drives him crazy. He cannot listen to the same song on repeat over and over again. In the comments down below, let me know what kind of person you are. If you're a person who can just listen to the same song, if you really get in the groove with one song for a little bit and maybe can do that for a day or days straight, or are you the kind of person who needs to change it up?
My eyes takes me to the clouds above.
And if you can't see me for part of the video, I do apologize. It's probably just mopping in a space where the camera really didn't reach. But I try to place the camera in a place that is going to be showing the majority of the room.
Oh, I lose control, can't seem to get enough. When I'm weak from dreaming, tell me, is this really love? Ooh, how will I know?
Also, I love these curtains. These are a newer addition to our house. I believe within the last year or so we've gotten these, and I love them. They're just a little too short, and I know that, but I love the style. I love the color of them. They're this beautiful gold color, which goes with our theme that we're trying to do for our home, and so I just really love them. We might repurpose them later for another room, but trying to figure out how to make them work for this room just because we love them so much in here. And I apologize for the lighting. It's the sun going in and out, and I was just cleaning away, so I did not realize it. So it's a little bit harder to see exactly what I'm doing. So I apologize.
How will I know? How will I know? How will I know?
To the almost best part of cleaning. I don't actually love mopping too much, but I do love that it means that I'm almost done with a room, because that's one of the last things I do in each and every room. So I'll either sweep or vacuum, and then I will mop. So I'm on one of the final stages now of this room, so that's really exciting. And then obviously I'm going to vacuum the carpet too. It's weird because the lighting's making it look like it has this weird yellow ring around it, but honestly it looks completely normal in person. The lighting in this room is just not being my friend today. It's actually really nice red and gold and a green kind of color. So there's a few different colors within this rug, and really just love the design of it. If you're needing more cleaning motivation today, make sure to check out the rest of my channel because I do have lots of cleaning videos on there. And so I have everything, at least I try to have everything organized in playlists for every topic or everything. Some things share a playlist just because they can. And here's the final look of the mop, and that is crazy. That was so dirty. I don't know about you, but I find it so satisfying to see a mop from beginning to end, just to see, wow, I really got that space clean. So definitely something to improve upon. Hopefully it'll get cleaner and cleaner throughout the weeks. I'm just kind of going back to where I started, so I'm moving everything now that was on the rug, putting it in its place, and that way I can vacuum the rug and then the whole room can be complete. Besides just checking out the other videos that I have on my channel for other cleaning motivation if you need it, also you can let me know in the comments down below what type of cleaning motivation videos you'd like to see next. So I think I've done almost every room in the house. I'm pretty close, I think, to finishing this series, but I'm going to do more of a deep clean next. I already have those videos in the works for you guys, so I have those ones set up so that way we can do a deep clean together, because this was more after I had been cleaning for weeks, doing the same routine over and over again, so it really wasn't too bad just because I was maintaining it a lot. But now, because of different life events that I've had going on, I have, slipped back a little bit from the cleaning, which sucks, but I'm getting right back into it. And so I'm going to be doing more deep cleaning videos coming up here soon. Another thing I would love to do is more like organizing and even mundane tasks that are not fun, I don't think, for anyone to do, like dishes or laundry or things like that, and put separate videos just of those out for you guys if you want them. But sometimes I'll just turn on like a TV show or music and fold laundry or something like that. So that's kind of my way to get through those things, those tasks that are not too fun. But if you want a video like that and we can do it together, just let me know in the comments down below. Here is a final look. Luckily the lighting was a little bit better now for this final look. And so here's what it looks like when it's just all cleaned up. I'm so happy with the finished look.